Welcome to Brownlows, new edition today, Vauxhall Vivaro 5-seater turbo diesel with Motability access to the rear. Done 108,000 miles, just come into stock, finished off in grey metallic. Great specification on this one. Like I say, ideal if you want to make it in a little camper van. A lot of car for the money. Come and see Dave at Brownlows Cars for the autumn sale, Haughton Road, Darlington. Inside the Vauxhall Vivaro, 3 seats up the front, 2 in the rear, and the vehicle, the ramp at the back. We have air conditioning on this one, 108,000 miles, and it's a 6-speed turbo diesel manual. The car will come with a 12 months MOT with no advisories, 3-month warranty standard. Like I say, great if you want to make it into a small camper van. Ideal for 8995. Where'd you get them?
At Brownlows Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3-month warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlows Cars, the name you can trust.